Heartbreak sucks, right? It feels like your whole world just collapsed. You wake up with this heavy feeling in your chest. Nothing feels exciting anymore. Your brain is overthinking 24/7. Why did they leave? What did I do wrong? Will I ever move on? But here's the thing. You're strong. You're not broken. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get over them in 3 steps. Step 1. Let it all out. Before you even think about moving on, you need to let it all out. Stop bottling things up. If you feel like crying, cry. If you feel like screaming, do it. If you have anger, frustration, sadness, whatever it is, release it. Write everything down on a piece of paper. Every thought, every feeling, and then crush that paper. Throw it away. Physically destroy those emotions. And if the person actually deserves it, don't hold back. If they played you, disrespected you, or treated you like trash, tell them straight up. Let it out, say what you need to say, and then walk away like a boss. Because once you've released all that emotion, you'll realize something. It wasn't that deep. The weight on your chest becomes lighter. Step 2. Never hold grudges. Listen, carrying hate in your heart won't hurt them. It'll hurt you. You don't have to forgive them, but don't hold on to bitterness. If your heart is full of anger, that negativity will spill into your future relationships. You'll push away people who actually love you. So instead of cursing them, wish them well. Say goodbye in your heart and move on. Not for them, but for you. Take a deep breath. Let it go. It's done. They don't exist in your story anymore. Chapter closed. Step 3. Move on and level up. Imagine chasing butterflies. The more you chase, the more they run away. But if you spend time building a beautiful garden, the butterflies will automatically come to you. And even if they don't, you still have a beautiful garden. That's how moving on works. It isn't about sitting around waiting for time to heal you. It's about actively healing yourself. So here's what you can do. Hit the gym. Pick up a new hobby. Block, delete, no checking of their profile, and just upgrade yourself. Heartbreak is temporary, but a better version of you, permanent. Heartbreak isn't the worst thing that happened to you. It's the best thing that happened for you. Because one day you'll wake up and not even think about them. One day you'll laugh again, dream again, love again, and when that day comes, you'll realize this was just the beginning of something so much better. If this video helped even a little, don't forget to hit like and subscribe.